How to create an eye-catching tutoring profile. It all starts with an outstanding coaching profile. There are a few steps that you need to follow in order to create a comprehensive and eye-catching tutoring profile. 1. Getting placed in the top search pages. Complete your tutoring profile wisely. Each part has certain points. Only completed profiles can be reflected on the first search pages. Therefore, skipping any part would diminish the chance of getting hired soon. 2. Correlation between your degrees and teaching expertise. Establish a connection between your education and teaching expertise. If you hold a degree in mathematics and experience of teaching to O-level students only, then articulate your profile accordingly. Avoid adding the subject's expertise where you have less proficiency. Emphasize on teaching areas where you are already outperforming. A sounding profile helps in getting frequent responses from clients and positive reviews afterwards. 3. Role of references in building healthy relationships. Always keep references with you. Sometimes parents or students ask for evidence of your achievements, and having handy references assists in the rapid verification of past experiences. Positive feedback from previous clients or colleagues would help in landing you a quick job as well as forming a relationship of trust with your new clients. 4. Lecture videos and the validity of teaching expertise. Lecture videos are the crux of an eye-catching profile. Include lecture videos in your profile to replicate your excellent teaching proficiency. Parents evaluate tutor knowledge and teaching skills through videos. Such attractive profiles receive clients' attention at first sight and secure a place in the initial search pages. In a nutshell, thriving straight into the limelight requires an extraordinary profile. Following instructions to fill up all the mandatory fields in your profile and comparing your profile with other successful tutors would definitely assist you in the creation of an outstanding profile. This is all from us. We wish you very good luck. For queries, comments, and suggestions, write to us at info@educatewiser.com.